you for buying this 6-way half-inch pipe fitting from Fixture Displays. The part number is 15107. You can find this product on FIXTUREDISPLAYS.com by searching 15107. The dimensions of this unit is 2.7 inches, or a little shy of 2 3/4. And the diameter of the outside of the hole is 1.18 inches, or just about 1 inch and 1/8. The inside fits perfectly for your standard half-inch MPT threading. It weighs about a little shy of half a pound, 0.44 pounds. The surface does come with a protective coating. It would get your hands dirty, as you can see. You are welcome to clean it off and do your own surface treatment if you so desire. If you like our product, we can really use a good review. If you have any questions, email us. Our email address is cs, that's Charlie Sam, at FIXTUREDISPLAYS.com. While you're on our website, you can also browse for other connectors, black pipes, and fixtures, giftware, among many other things we offer. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.